Yeah.
What is?
I don't know.
So crazy. Where is that coming from?
You think we're gonna die?
Oh, golly, Jesus, dog. Sweet niblet. Me and my cousin just split up to try to look for help, and I've been walking for 50 minutes, and I'm pretty tired, so I'm taking a break. Wait a minute, it's fine. What's that?
So now I can't go find help. I think I lost the chickens. She's gone. They got my cousin. What's this? This is her camera. Okay. I already found my cousin dead. What else could happen? Well, I did find her camera. Should I take a look through it? Let me see. Oh my God. I'm so scared. There's two crazy chickens. And that was the end of Jarrell's days.